Unfortunately, I had some experience. I took the spark plugs out of the diesel motor the other day. Anyways, now to do the valve adjustment, see that pencil? I turned the motor over, I put the nut on it and cranked it over by hand, and at one point the pencil came all the way up. That was the top of the compression stroke, and these were still tight some. So I knew I had to turn over one more round, so I kept going. Pencil went down, pencil came back all the way up, and these are loose. That's where I do my adjustment. And by looking at the pencil in there, I kept playing around with it until I got it exactly all the way to the top. And with this here, this is a Honda GX, and the spark plug gap is 0.030 inches, and the valve clearance was exhaust. The exhaust is on the left side, intake's on the right, and it's 0.20 millimeters on the exhaust, 0.15 millimeter on the intake. And then once you adjust that, then you still turn the motor over gently by hand and see that everything works out. So now I'm going to be using a feeler gauge and unloosening the nuts on there, the outer nut, and then the inner nut is what you adjust to get the kind of valve clearance you're looking for. I could, small work. See, right there I'm just tight, but not overly tight. I mean, it's just the feeler gauge, you know. And I tighten, the bottom nut is what you use to adjust that, and that's a 14. And the upper nut is a 10, that locks it in. There, so. Then what I have to do is turn the motor over gently by hand and see that everything turns good, so. All right, okay, I'll put that hose over on that part, tighten those 4 bolts up. I cleaned up the gasket in both the surface metal and the other one, and then retightened that up. 4 bolts that are 10 millimeter. Just don't over tighten on this aluminum block. You can mess things up in a hurry. Now I'm going to put the new spark plug in. I won't over tighten that. And okay.